Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Carly, so welcome. So as you guys can see, I have wet hair, and that is because I'm going to be trying out and giving my first impressions for y'all my new Dyson Airwrap. I'm wanting a Dyson Airwrap forever. I am so excited to finally have it, and I'm excited to get to demo it for y'all. Let's just get right into the video. Alright, so I don't have my regular setup because my room is literally a wreck because I'm about to go to college. I have like piles of crap sitting around all over the place. I'm just gonna sit here and unbox it and not like have my regular setup. It has another box inside of it. Here it is. Alright, so here it is. I am so excited. Alright, so finally we got to the stuff. It comes like this in this case, and it says Dyson on the top. And then here it is with all the parts. It comes with the hairdryer attachment. It comes with 4 curling attachments. And then it comes with this brush. It comes with this brush attachment. And then lastly, it comes with the round brush attachment. And then of course the base. Today, I'm just gonna kind of be testing it out. I don't exactly know what I'm gonna do to my hair. Alright, so I finished my hair and I love it, especially for the first time. I know I'll get used to it more as I use it more, but already like I noticed such a big time change in like how long it takes to curl my hair. Usually it takes like several hours with like a wand or whatever. It's not as like accurately curled all around, but I think that's also because of my technique with it. So I feel like once I figure it out, I feel like it'll be a lot better. I like how there's so many different attachments. I really like it, and I will probably be back again in this video with another day of me like using a different brush head, maybe like the round brush. I'm sorry this is in a rush today. I have something this afternoon, so I'm trying to kind of film this pretty fast. Here's the curls. I really like them. I feel like they were pretty easy to figure out even the first time. I really like it, and when I have more time another day, I will film a second part to this video and give you more of an in-depth tutorial. Hey guys, so I'm back, and obviously I look really rough. I just got out of the shower and I'm back for day 2 of like the styling with the Dyson Airwrap. So today my hair is like completely like soaked, so I'm gonna use the hairdryer attachment first, and then I decided instead of using the round brush, I'm gonna curl it again and see if I can do a better job this time. But yeah, I'm gonna make it a more in-depth tutorial, I guess, because I have more time today. Alright, so after having my hair in like that for a day, I would say the curls held pretty well. It did fall out throughout the day, but you know, it still looked good. So I was really happy with the results. When I slept on it though, they came out, but that's like the way my hair reacts with any curling iron. So I would say it had a really good result, and it saved me so much time. Like I cannot believe that you can dry your hair and curl it at the same time. It saves so much time, and so yeah, I like it so far. And as y'all could see yesterday, I used the Olaplex bonding oil. It's supposed to protect your hair, make it shiny, all of that. So I just put a little bit of that on. I just run it through my hair just to protect it while I'm drying it. And I like to put it on the front pieces too, because those are the pieces that get really fried when I style my hair. Alright, so now I'm taking my stuff out. I have the whole case. It's very bulky. Again, here is the bottom. It has a long cord. What I'm starting with today, and the one that I haven't used before, is the hairdryer one, and it just lines up with the grooves in here and just snaps in, and it locks automatically, and to unlock it you just press down and the head will come off. So let's dry my hair. Alright, so I feel like it didn't take long at all to get my hair from like sopping wet to only damp. So that was really efficient. Really like the way it blew the air really fast, and it cut down on drying time. So now I'm going to take this off. It comes with 4 different curling barrels, and it's like 2 of the same ones, and one's for the left side of your head and the other's for the right side of your head. And then there's 2 bigger ones that are the same way. I'm going to start with the left side of my head. Alright, So I've only curled a little bit and they look crazy, but they'll fall out as time goes on and they look really good once they've fallen out more. I figured out that it's kind of hard to curl when the hair is even damp. So I'm gonna go back in and dry it a little bit more and then try and curl it again and see if it like attaches better. I'm trying to figure out the best method. I'm gonna use this attachment to dry my hair a little bit more and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I'm reattaching this head and I'm going to try and curl again. Alright, so my hair is done and I put some makeup on. I look a lot better now, but I love how my hair turned out today again, and I think it turned out even better than yesterday because of some tips I figured out. So I'm going to share those. The hair sucks up better when it is in smaller pieces, so it's like easier to attach to the barrel when it's in smaller pieces, and it's also easier to attach to the barrel when it's more dry. It took me a little while longer than yesterday, but I think I finally like kind of figured out what I'm doing. I highly recommend this if you've been thinking about it, if you've been wanting it. I wanted this for literally so long. I have wanted it for longer than I can even remember, and I finally got it when I just wanted to splurge and buy myself something before college. I really like the hairdryer attachment. I love the curling attachments, especially the smaller curling attachments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you guys again, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!